Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mr. 3D. Blender Market Summer Sale is here, and for those who want to save up on your favorite tools, now's the time to get your hands on thousands of Blender assets, textures, rigs, add-ons and more at 25% off. Right now is the best time for you to grab all you need. This sale is running till the 8th of August 2022. So for those who would like to take a look at, I'm gonna put the link in the description that will take you over to the page where you can see all of the products that you can grab. Maybe you want to rig your characters, you can grab Hdri Pro. It's on sale, 25% off. We have Cablerator, Extreme PBR Nexus, Scatter Add-on, Human Generator, Random Flow, Real-Time Materials, Simply Cloth Pro. So let's take a look at Scatter. Scatter is the Blender's #1 tool of scattering stuff in Blender, and this is also at 25% off. I'm gonna put the links in the description of everything that I will be mentioning in this video. Speaking about Scatter, you might also need some vegetations to scatter. For this, the folks at Bee Production are also giving away at 25% off. Maybe you want to make your forest, or maybe you want to make your gardens. Then you have grass blades, transportation, vegetation, gobos, light textures, and CamFX. CamFX is their newest add-on that they have recently released, and this is one of the professional add-ons to make your renders even more realistic. Maybe if you want to learn something, then the folks at CG Cookie are also giving away at 25% off on all of their courses. Maybe you wanna learn how to create realistic portrait characters, you can get it from here. Maybe you're looking for hard surface modeling, then this is the best, so on and so forth. So you can take a look at them. All of these are going to be in the description. The folks at Fabra are also giving away their Faceit add-on at 25% off. If you wanna check this out, the link is going to be in the description. Faceit is an all-in-one facial rigging, motion capture and animation add-on. An intuitive, semi-automatic and non-destructive workflow guides you through the creation of facial shape keys that are perfectly adapted to your model's topology and morphology. Whether it's a photorealistic human model or a cartoonish character, you maintain full artistic control while saving a ton of time and energy. With Faceit, you can ready your character model for high-quality animation in minutes. The folks at 3D Vision are also giving away their Pro Sky Pro at 25% off. You can take a look at it. I already made a video on it. If you wanna check that out, the link is in the description. This add-on is awesome. The folks at Oliver J Post are also giving away their Human Generator, Smudge Pro, Instamat material at 25% off. The folks at True VFX are also giving away their True Train at 25% off. This lets you create realistic trains faster than ever before. Come here and read more about it. K-Cycles is a custom build of Blender CyclesX, and this lets you optimize your render engine and nearly decreases your render times in half. Alongside viewport effects like bloom, mist, mask, all the stuff, viewport resolution as well. And the folks at Sanctus are also giving away their procedural materials library at 25% off. I recently made a video on it. If you are interested in this, I will leave the link in the description. You can take a look at my previous video. And we have talked about Human Generator. This is an add-on that lets you create realistic humans. And the folks at Viajaslav are also giving away all of their add-ons at 25% off. If you are interested in them, like Simply Cloth Pro, Simply Micromesh, Simply Concept, and Simply Wrap Pro, along with Simply Assets. If you are interested in this, links are in the description. The folks at RBDLab are also giving away their add-on for Blender at 25% off. This is one of the professional add-ons if you are into destroying stuff in Blender. The video on this add-on is coming soon on my channel, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you won't miss that out. Speaking of destroying, there's also a Chaos Ultimate Explosion add-on from the folks at Light Architect. They are also giving this away at 25% off, along with their other add-ons like Spidify, and then weather effects, texture stamps, so on and so forth. They are also giving away their City Builder 3D at 25% off. Now the folks at Sergi are giving away their Cablerator add-on at 25% off as well. They have recently released a new version of the add-on, and the video on this is coming soon. Then we have Random Flow from Blender Goopy. They're also giving it away at 25% off. And the folks at Bubblegum are also giving away their Ultimate Clay Shader at 25% off. The link to all of this is going to be in the description. Tons of stuff is available here. I probably wouldn't be able to cover all of them, so I want you guys come and take a look at some of the things that are on sale right now and see which of them actually suits what you would want to work with. I'm just gonna go ahead and put links in the description. I do like to know what you guys think about all of these things in the comment section below. And that's been it. Make sure to like the video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you won't miss my next video. And as always, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.